Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Want to Stay. Today in this video let's learn about how to change background color of Google Calendar. So let's get started. At first in Google Calendar we can see this color over here, or it might be simply white as well. Now to change the background color we need to go to this extension called custom calendar background. Once you have downloaded this extension, we can go on this over here and click on this three dots and click on options, and we get into this page. After that we can change the overlay. Let's go for dark overlay for now, and you can choose single image or you can choose the color. So let's go for color, and here's the color option. You can choose any color you want, and once you are done simply click on save over here on the right. Now we can see the format over here. Now let's get back to Google Calendar and we can see the color is changed. So that is all. I hope you like the video. Please do like and subscribe.